Alright, welcome to the tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'm gonna be testing for the module that we're working right now, that is the blaze. And what's happening right now, it's been stagnant here. So it was stagnant and I have to find a way. All the modules was being installed and the problem is it's not moving here. Couldn't move. Using this blaze, I have these views, and what happened is it's not moving. So we're gonna check why it's not moving. And I'm using here the module of blaze. So we're gonna find the blaze here. Why it's not moving? Why? What kind of jQuery they're using, and have to know what kind of modules to activate all the sequence of my slider here. Everything is been installed perfectly, and the problem is it cannot be activated. So we check here. This is the blaze. Why it's been? This is what they said here. 5.6 the core images of the library. I'm using here the 7.2. Maybe it's because of my version of my PHP. Probably. So we have to check here. This is the using year 7. And it says here 7 that is 5.6 core images. And it's 5.6 PHP 5.6. And auto load here is this one here. So installation of the property here, installing the modules here. So one of the reason it's not working is here. I think I'm using the 7.2. So I think that's one of the problem we're gonna be having. Status. You go to your status and then you check 7.2. This is the version we're using, and this is the PHP I'm using here. So it says that the requirement is 5.6. Back here again. And it says here requirements for the 8.8 is the requirements, and the 7 they have the libraries. PHP 5.6 image core. Maybe that's the problem I'm getting in the version. If you check here the 5.6 PHP, your Google, this is the 5.6. And I have to change it in my server. That would not affect my system. This is the 5.6, and the 5.6 is been recommended for the Drupal here. I check here. Because now I'm using here the 7.1, and the blaze requirement is 5.6, and it doesn't function actually. So the 5.6 here is here. This is the 5.6, and I'm using the 7.1 here. And there might be issue in the PHP version. See here, 5.6 is those are the most allowed modules supported 2007. If find out is not compatible, let the maintainer know. And full compatibility with 7.3 includes current release bootstrap. And it's a problem we are getting here because all the modules are has been installed and it cannot function. It didn't say there the jQuery we're about to use. This one has been installed already, and this one. So we check again the configuration. This is how to find out why it's not working. And we have here the check here again my blaze site slicky course. This is the slick carousel I just and this is the modules all are healthy. It's been installed and I could not find the hook how to get the hook done. And here build arrow. We just make the skin to full width. Uh, full width skin as default. Optimize. Optimize here is store options. Setting display. Save here. So the PHP requirement on this place is 5.6 for image core libraries. All of this has been registered already, and I just put in the libraries. So again, we back to our structure and then the content that I just create. Find the field why it's not working. So one of the lousy compatibility I have is I'm using the 7.1 and here's 5.6. That's really a problem if you're using the higher version of your Drupal. It ain't gonna function. So here we find it edit field. Mm, manage slider banner. That's the structure I just created. Content type. So maybe you have to check in the display here. Manage display. You check the manage display and we have here the blaze I'm using. You check this one here. And here. No need for the CSS. Here is the 16.19. So if you want to know about 16.19 here 16-1 size. So what does it mean here? Gives you the size. This is the size of 16.19 image size. So this is all the image size that we have. So that's a big image size I want. What one there? Update. Then save. go to the views here. So we check the views, how it's working or not. So still, the problem still it's been stagnant here. Check here the blaze slider, and we use the carousel that I just want to use to check if it's moving or not. Images, just none. Save all. Yeah, we cannot find anything here. But if you use the blaze, there's a movement in our can display, but we cannot see the movement. So that's a count there. So this is the situation we're having now. Save. And then we have here the title. If I want to remove the title there, it will be removed. The blaze field images. Just no images. Columns is 3. Oh, display style is none. All right, that's the size we have. So it says here fluid. So I think I have to change to 7.1 into 5.6. That's one of the solutions that we could get now. And hopefully it will work. Because it's not working because of the PHP version. See? The PHP version have we have this problem in our setting the PHP version. So it's not working because of our PHP version. It views. Here is our setting. Grid, just one, none, none. Grid foundation, apply. Save. But the problem is it should be moving actually. There should be a movement of this block that we have. The problem is the block is not moving. So I just save. Is it saved now? See? There's no movement of this one that we just create. So it's static. Even if I try to change my jQuery, it doesn't because it doesn't hold here the folder name. So it just says it's 5.6, and then it's very important to know the version you're going to be using. You see here a lot of versions here, and they have to match each socket, so the it would be the hooks could move on. So here we can see here lazy lounge, silky carousel. So this the background is support, photo box, support responsive images, program the API here. So check out the API that we're gonna be using also. That one, the Blaze help forms is solution. Libraries is loaded and temporary. Solution is the blah 7.2. That's in the Git, which is very useful also. And then report this module. It's not working. So we have here the Git triple core, and this is the Git Blaze. And this is some of the suggestion you want to create. So it's not really working now recently. Couldn't find my solution is to change into my server and then put the version of the PHP I'm using. This is the how to edit here. This is in the yeah, you have to log in to the Drupal core project in order to access the Blaze. So again, I just maybe just use this one for how to change my version here. So that's the version that we are having now. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hopefully you subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and yeah, thumbs mark there.